Hey guys, welcome to Ride and Shine Detailing. I'm Serge Langendoen and this is a new Ride My vlog. In this video we're going to show you a Rolls Royce Dawn that we did a full PPF installation on and a ceramic coating. Well, in the back you can see the Ford Mustang and of course the Tesla Model 3, but that's for the upcoming videos because the next video is about the Mustang. We're going to do a wrap on that car and well, normally I don't show you the end result. I hope you don't see everything on the car, but the end result is really amazing. Also the Tesla Model 3 is worth a good video because it's the first that we have in here at Ride and Shine Detailing and we are known for protecting the paint of Teslas. So for us it's also an honor when a new model of a brand comes in. Well, as I said, this video is about the Rolls Royce Dawn. The car came in directly from the dealer. It had driven only a few miles, but I was really surprised on how bad the paint looked. It's piano black and of course that's a very sensitive paint and it's very soft, and when you touch it you get scratches or swirls immediately. But when I had a look at this car, you know, I was really surprised on how many scratches there were on that car. Well, and of course if you want to prevent having scratches on your solid or piano black car, PPF is a very good solution to protect the paint. Well, the car came in and of course we're going to wash it. So let's start washing the car. Let's put her into the washing bay and make sure that she's ready for the polish stage. So after washing, it's time to correct the paint. So I placed the Rolls Royce Dawn onto my car lift and I would like to show you now. I mentioned before how the paint looked and it was very swirled, very scratched. So I think you'll be amazed the same as I was. corrected the car in several stages of polishing, and we started out with a light compound. We didn't have to do severe work, only on certain places. I think we did like four correcting stages. It was depending on which section we are working on the car, because not every part needed the same amount of polishing stages. Well, after the polishing, this car looked really in a mint condition. PPF installation on a Rolls Royce is not very easy. I know in a video it always looks easy, but you know, videos are edited. But I can assure you, PPF installation on a Rolls Royce is not easy. Especially on the front fenders, you have very sharp curves and angles, and we also want to install PPF without too many seams. And if you look at the pre-cuts, because there are some pre-cuts on this car, you will see that there are seams. Well, we took it from the roll and we tried to install the PPF without any seams, and we managed to do that with 3 guys, because with 1 or 2 we didn't succeed to do the installation perfectly, and we threw away a lot of foil on the front. But at the end, with 3 guys, we managed to get the PPF on without a seam, and it looked perfect. installation of the PPF, I also applied Modesta Glass Coating on the whole car. Also the rims were coated, and after that, after the infrared heating and the ceramic coating and the PPF, it all came together, you know, it was perfect. After the PPF, I also applied Modesta Glass Coating on the whole car. Also the rims were coated, and of course infrared heating on the whole car. Everything came together and the end result was really spectacular. The sun was shining, so I placed the car outside in the sun, and you can see the end result of that right now. And I think you'll also be amazed on how that car looked, you know, it was really spectacular.
Struck me.
If you want to see more videos, you can do that over here, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, you can do that over here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, then you will get a notification when a new video is uploaded about the Mustang. You really want to see that video. If you have questions for us, drop them below the video, we'll try to answer them. And please subscribe to the channel. The bigger we grow, the more videos we'll upload and the more fun we have to make videos. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.